Hi, today we are going to learn about hundreds, tens and ones. Three-digit numbers are made up of hundreds, tens and ones. The place value of the first digit here is hundreds. The place value of the second digit is tens, whereas the place value of the third digit is ones. Place values versus value of digits. Place value means the column, whereas value means the worth of the digits. In 134, which is given here, the value of 1 is 100. The value of 3 is 30 and the value of 4 is 4. Let us try one question here. Fill in the missing numbers. If we are given that we have 5 hundreds, 2 tens and 2 ones, so in the blanks we can say that 2 tens would make it 20, whereas 2 ones would make it 2. So the missing numbers are 20 and 2 respectively.